yan sa blocking itong VNS.
It is 9-8 Almendras.
Ooh.
Wow. That was dug up by the body of Floresca. Kulabat sent back. Down to the other end. Haleko. Chris Cross's turn. Ish. The ball. Mark Espejo.
Ooh.
That's a point for the Phenom.
But good effort there.
Nice receive by Almendras. Espejo.
Oh. Almost as a good save to sana for VNS. And that was Espejo's second point in this set. And of course, that was that million connection.
Oh yeah. And get yours now. So that was a ticket straight to an ace for
Mama sa bola.
You did see the ball spin afterwards. Kulabat block, no coverage there. What a block anymore in the women's division. What an upset in 5 sets by the UP Fighting Maroons earlier today. Chris Cross is undefeated in the Spikers turf, and they recently just reobtained the services of Mark Espejo, who will now be hitting again.
Oh. What a hit. What a hit.
What else can you say?
Of course, from Ish Polvorosa. Alam natin, kahit saan may pwesto itong si Mark Espejo.
Mark Espejo. Bulletproof.
Mukhang andali tignan for if you're watching Mark Espejo. The movement, no extra movement. That was his 7th point.
Such a beauty to see. The spikes in men's volleyball as Segi got a hand there. Chris Cross sent in the ball and Espejo got a hand.
Block touch.
From 14 to 10, Almendras. Ball up by Kurt Quezon. Floresca to the middle. Ish right there. Sumang. Espejo.
Oh.
Touch again.
Still, set up dito ni Floresca. Kaya medyo tahimik yung mga middle attackers eh.
Si Mark Espejo hindi naman mananahimik para sa Chris Cross.
Mukhang easy volleyball pa rin yung galawan dito ni Espejo, but very effective for Chris Cross. Second set.
24-15. Espejo siyang tatapos.
Very effective for Chris Cross with that sharp cross-court hit. Bukas na bukas yung block. Mahirap na adjustment yun kasi for sure iba yung system nila yung sa Japan. But
hindi naman mawawala yan.
Yung atake ganun ni Mark Espejo. Very simple but yet effective. Easy volleyball eh. Kitang-kita mo ang dali gawin. But
service by Mark Espejo. You know, that wasn't even the most powerful serve. I mean, it's all positive. It's all good vibes for Chris Cross. As now they send it to the Phenom.
And why not?